Have you been looking for a way to coil the ends of your braid and you do not know how to do it? If that is you, please grab your tea, grab your coffee, because this video is special made for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step, one after another, how to go about coiling the ends of your braid to make it looking nice, popping and beautiful. Like when you're done, you'll be happy that you watch this video, because I am going through step by step. Yes. And also, if you have any question, feel free to comment. Oh yeah, your girl I got your back in this video, so I'm going to show you, because I know I got that video. How do you coil the ends? How did you do it? And that is why I'm making this video especially for all you my viewers that ask that question or want to know. So the first step is putting it in hot water. Again, you don't really have to, but if you want to have a nice slick looking braid and ends, yes, I will encourage you to dip it in hot water first. Then after that, the second step will be for you to towel dry. After you towel dry, the third step is for you to twist. So again, if you want to know the reason why I'm doing twist in this pattern, not braid, I'm not using rod, I'm not using string, watch to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you why I'm doing this coil pattern on this boho braid. Okay, so I'm just showing you slow motion how you can twist your braid. Now if this is too fast for you, I do have a full video that I show you how to twist. I do have how to twist for kinky twist, how to twist for Senegalese twist, how to buzz braid. So the reason why I'm doing twist method for the ends of the braid is because the brand that I'm using is model, and it's a deep twist coil, a deep twist wave. So, and also that is why I'm doing the braid, which is expression braiding hair. That is what I use, and it's the one that comes times 6. I end up using 7 of them on this braid. The length was 52 inches braid, 52 inches color 1B to be precise, actually what I use. So after that, the next is for you to put it in hot water. So have you gained any value so far? If you have, subscribe, and thank you for watching. So after you put it in hot water, you will use your towel to dry the hair. The reason why we put it in hot water is so that the hot water, when you soak it inside the hot water, it makes the coil pattern, which is in this case, which is twist, the braid is going to take a twist wavy style of coil or wave. Yes, so that is the reason why we put it in hot water. And the first time that we put it in hot water, it also make it to be nice and slick. And also the hair, as I'm cutting it, is not going to cut, because I have already sealed it by putting it in hot water first of all. Okay, so after that step, the next step will be for you to unravel the twist. Yes, unravel it. And while you're unraveling, you also have to be very gentle. If not, it will make the ends of the twist or the ends of the braid to be in kind of frizzy, and you don't want that. After a day or two, it will be very frizzy, because if you weren't careful when you're taking it out, that will be the result. But if you are careful, you are good. It will be. Now also, to give you another tip, if you ever do the braid and you notice when you were taking it out that the coil, you cannot mess it up, that is going to be frizzy, just put your hand in a jam or gel and run it through the braid. It will make it to be come back nice and smooth again. And also, because the jam is going to give it a shine and conditioning, it will make the hair looking back good and normal. Just a tip, a quick tip for you watching this far. Okay, so after that, you have unraveled the braid. Yes, you are doing awesome. Okay, so the next step is for you to put mousse to lay it all nice. After that, putting mousse, my next step is to dry the hair. Now, this is optional. Yes, you do not have to do that if you don't want to. Okay, so yes, I'm so like, I enjoy doing this video, so I hope you also do. And please like, subscribe, share with friends and family and loved ones, because that will help me to encourage me to keep doing more video like this. So yes, like I mentioned, you can put jam and smoothen it, and you are really ready to enjoy and yes, rock your video, rock your hair. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, and yeah, is there something that you want me to explain more? Comment below. And yes, we did this. Oh yes, we did it together, not just me. You watching this far? Yes. And yes, that is the way to do the ends of your braid to coil. Thank you.